Welcome back. If your website is not bringing customers for you, this may be the reason. Now, let's take a look at this website. If we look at this website, we will see that there are certain problems that is associated with this website that is making it not to bring customers to the owner of the website. Now, number one, if you look at the website, you will see that it doesn't have any logo. It doesn't have any functional logo that will define more about this website or the company. Now, number two problems they have here is that they don't have a clear message. If you look at their hero image, you scroll down the site and see that the site looks scanty and it doesn't direct customer directly to as to what they are supposed to do immediately. And again, if you scroll down again, you see that there is no clear call to action. That is what the customers are supposed to do or visitors are supposed to do immediately they come to the website. Now, what we are going to do today is to create another website that will solve all the problems that we've detected in this website. So don't go nowhere. Sit back and relax and watch as we design the website, a better version of this website. So let's get started. Uh, we are going to redesign this website and correct all the mistakes that's associated with it. Just as we've mentioned previously, that the website has no logo, it has no clear message, and it doesn't have a strong call to action. That is this. This is what I call to action. That's the buttons that tells the visitor what to do immediately. The headline is not that optimized. The headlines also tells the user what to do immediately. So all these problems, we are going to correct them in our newly redesigned website. So sit back and relax. If you have a website like this that you notice that you don't have customers as supposed. Now let's begin. I have put together a prompt that we can use to generate or redesign this website within 5 minutes without wasting much of our time. Now let's get started. We open on this website, click, we will not paste the prompt. Now if you did this prompt, type prompt in the comment section and I will send you the prompt and tell you what to do or how to go about it in regenerating another website for educational purposes. So the prompt has been pasted, then I'll give it a name, a business name. Uh, I'm still going to use their main business name, which is customer hair color for men. So this is the prompt. If you need a prompt, as I've said before, um, just comment prompt in the comment section and I will send you the prompt. The prompt applies to all websites. You just need to tweak a little things. If there's a website you are designing another niche, now let's click create your website and wait for it to do it. If you like this video or you have a website that is not converting, that is not bringing customers to you, contact me by website. I will redesign the website for you within 24 hours. But what we are doing right now is within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You are going to redesign this website live and direct. So if you really want to learn web design, WordPress web design, contact me my website. I have an ebook, a step-by-step ebook that will teach you how to design a website within 48 hours. Visit my website, they are all there. You'll be redirected on what to do. Now it has a clear logo, it has a clear headline and a very strong call to action. As you can see, the two calls to actions. Then another call to action is here. The hero image is very interesting. The tagline text, they are all there. So anybody that comes to this site immediately will know or be able to know what to do immediately. So as you can see, this is another section, how it works. If this section has a subsection that is clickable, that will be able to direct and inform visitors what to do immediately. Below it is another call to action. That's another button that will lead visitors about or on what to do. Another section again that has been redesigned. It has another call to action, which is another button. Then you scroll down again. As you can see, this also has a very strong button. So in this section also has a clickable section, subsection I mean. So as you can see, another call to action, another logo at the footer. So that is it. This website has solved the problem that's associated with the old website. So if you need your website to be redesigned, contact me in my website and I will redesign for you within 24 hours. Or you want to learn how to design a website. If you don't have tech experience, I will teach you how to design websites or redesign a website step by step from scratch to the end. Now let's place this newly created website side by side with the old website so that we'll be able to vividly identify the problem with the old website and we're able to see how those problems have been solved with this new redesigned website. Now let's right click and click on add tab to new split, and that's it. Then we'll now go to this their website and click it. You can see the two sites have been placed side by side. So let's see. As you can see, this website has no logo as it is. Now this is a newly redesigned website. As you can see the logo, which directly define what this website is all about. As if you check the hero image, that's the header, you see how this looks and this again. If you compare, you see the difference. And here you have very strong call to action at the hero image. If you scroll down again, you see how it looks? You see the difference? Let me scroll this one again and see. You see the difference, right? So you can zoom it side by side to see the difference between the two. So if you are interested in website redesign or how to learn, you want to learn how to design a website, you can contact me through my website. I will tell you what to do. And I've also put together an ebook that will teach you step by step from scratch, even if you don't have any coding knowledge on how to design a website. You can also get it in my website or you contact me directly. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. If this video is interesting to you, drop a comment and say I need a prompt. Thank you.